Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting up the car so staying in lane is possible. Adjust seat and mirrors until you have a full, stable view. Once done, place hands at 9 and 3 for precise steering control and confirm a 3-second following gap so you can respond. Make your intent clear. Signal early, then glance over your shoulder to check the blind spot. This is not optional. It prevents surprises and sets you up to hold your lane smoothly. You now focus on steady control. Use small, deliberate steering inputs rather than jerky corrections, because tiny adjustments keep the vehicle centered. Make it a habit to glance at mirrors and lane markings every 6 to 10 seconds and use peripheral vision to sense drift. Also, match speed to the flow of traffic. Too slow or too fast forces lane changes. So modulate throttle and brakes gently. You complete the process by planning any lane change early, signaling and rescanning mirrors and the blind spot before you move. If you feel the car drifting, do not panic. Gently ease off the throttle, straighten the wheel with small corrections, and recenter the vehicle. If lane markings are faded or absent, make sure to use roadside cues like reflectors or curb position, increase your following distance, and if visibility is poor, slow down until you can maintain a safe lane position.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.